In today's video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to navigate Binance effectively, whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started with crypto. This guide will help you make the most of the platform's features. Let's begin by accessing Binance. You can do this by either opening the Binance app on your device or visiting their official website. Navigating to Binance is your first step and lays the groundwork for exploring the wealth of tools and options available. Once you're in, our next focus will be on the Markets section. Head over and tap on Markets to dive into daily latest trends and price movement of various cryptocurrencies. This is where you can keep an eye on what's hot and potentially find your next investment opportunity. Now, let's move to trading. Click over to Trade Next. This will allow you to preview the spot trading section. Even if you're not planning to trade immediately, simply observing the market can provide valuable insights into how trading works and the latest trends affecting the market. After you've familiarized yourself with the spot trading, it's time to delve deeper into more advanced tools. Click on the option to buy and sell on the spot market. Here you'll find powerful tools designed to give you an edge, whether you're buying, selling, or analyzing cryptocurrency. Keeping with our focus on broader features, your next stop is the Web3 interface. Click on the option to access and navigate Web3 effortlessly. This section will introduce you to Binance's innovative tools designed for decentralized applications and finance, offering a glimpse into the future of cryptocurrency. Make sure to explore these features to enhance your knowledge and adaptability in the blockchain world. Continuing, highlight the Binance wallet by giving it a click. Your Binance wallet is where all your assets and balances are safely stored. Understanding how to use this feature effectively is crucial for managing your cryptocurrencies securely. Up next, utilize the search bar to look up coins or specific features you're interested in. This tool is efficient for quickly finding detailed information or exploring new coins and the various offerings that may catch your interest. Additionally, don't forget to discover more by clicking on More. This button unveils additional features such as Convert, P2P, or Earn. These functionalities provide further opportunities, whether you're looking to trade directly between users or earn interest on your holdings. And finally, if at any point you need to start over or retrace your steps, simply tap the Binance logo to return to the homepage. This is your hub for starting fresh or accessing different sections with ease. Exploring Binance in this organized way ensures that you harness its full potential, from trading to using cutting-edge technology. Thanks for joining this guide, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive into more advanced topics. Until then,